Wash dust, dirt, and grime from your patio and outdoor furniture with a pressure washer. With adaptive nozzles and features, using a pressure washer will get the job done before you know it. We've listed down the top 3 best household pressure washers and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, colombiaflores.net. Number 3. Simpson Cleaning PS3228. Powered by a Honda G200 offering a 3300 psi at 2.5 GPM, there is more pressure than you could ever need. This is a slight cheat, to be completely honest. It's the upscaled version of our favorite and would have made the top spot except for the clear fact that this article was for residential pressure washers. Even adding it here is stretching the point a bit, but we just couldn't resist popping it in because we loved it. It does offer maybe a bit more than your average household would be looking for, but if you love it and you don't mind being slightly overhorsed, then this is the tool for you. Number 2. A Novi Reverbery pressure washer. This is the updated version of the AR383. To know that you have the right model, make sure it is the SS. Although the AR383 is pretty fabulous, the upgraded features make this the better choice. And Novi Reverbery is great at listening to customer feedback and addressing those small issues that were present in the earlier model. The separate 28 ounces detergent tank makes this versatile to use without fiddly vacuum pumps. With a 30-foot high-pressure hose, you can really roam without having to keep moving the pressure washer. The pressure wand comes with 4 attachments to offer versatile water delivery and covers any cleaning job that you will want to tackle, from hoarding to concrete. A 13-amp motor delivers 1.5 horsepower, generating 1900 psi and 1.3 GPM. This will take your household cleaning without any problems. For an electric power washer, you won't get better results at this price point. Number 1. Simpson Cleaning MSH3125. This fabulous little gas-powered pressure washer is easy to move around but delivers a really great power jet. When considering the best pressure washer for the money, we could not fault this. A lot of pressure washer well within any reasonable budget. The Mega Shot delivers 3200 psi, pounds per square inch, at 2.5 GPM, gallons per minute, making it safe for all home applications. One of the highest we looked at and more than enough to give you a fabulous result. It is fitted with a reliable Honda GC190 engine and an equally reliable OEM axle pump. No maintenance for you. The unit comes with a 1/4 inch x 25 feet of kink and abrasion resistant hose. The requisite spray gun along with 5 options of nozzle. More than enough to cope with anything you want to do in a residential setting. There is an optional soap lens, but this isn't supplied with the unit. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.